Well, guys, welcome back. Guys, I believe I am on my fourth day of taking the matcha collagen. It does have caffeine, it's very low on calories. I'm telling you, that's a plus to me. It has hyaluronic acid and some amino acids, some stuff that your body needs, guys. Um, I said before, I drink coffee in the morning, a big cup, and around 5 o'clock, it is 5:04 p.m. right now, I take my iced coffee, my big traveling mug. And it's been 4 days that I have not had coffee the evening time because this is giving me the caffeine boost that I need to go through my day. And I'm not feeling any jitters, so I love it. I'm liking this. So today I'm bringing you guys back. I'm going to have my me smoothie. I have early lunch, so now I'm going to have a smoothie, and I decided to bring you guys along with me. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, I love it. You guys know that I always say that I'm going to come out with a second video if I like the product. And guys, here it is. Here it is. So we're going to have apple, half a banana. I have some grape here. And I have mango. So, it does not interfere with my healthy smoothie. And it's fruits. I usually have vegetables smoothie as well, but I haven't had none in like 4 days, 5 days, because I have to go grocery shopping and I ran out of my veggies. And I usually do tomatoes, celery, and stuff like that for my smoothie. So, but we have fruits. So yeah, I'm going to blend my smoothie first, and then I'm going to add my matcha. A whole scoop. Yeah, guys, it's really good and it is healthy. And also, you can have this as a traditional um, Chinese tea. So, I love it. I like it. I thought I was not going to like it, but my true honest opinion, I love it. And it has collagen. I said that. And it's good for your hair, skin, and nails, and your joints. It helps with all the good stuff. Not just like coffee. Coffee, it just have the benefit of giving you the rush and get you going through the day. But if you drink too much coffee, believe me, I say by experience, If you have too much coffee, you're gonna have an upset stomach. So this I have not um, encountered that. So, and you know me, I'm gonna tell you like it is. I'm not gonna tell you because I am promoting the product. No, I'm telling you because it's the truth. That's my honest opinion. But I'm gonna tell you guys it's good. So I recommend you guys for you to get you some. Yeah, get you some. So I'm going to add my eyes, and I'm going to sit down, and I'm going to have my smoothie. Mm. Like I said, 10 out of 10, I give it a 20 because this is good. This is really, really good, guys. Here are the benefits. I'm going to put on the bottom of this video the benefits of drinking this for you, and the tradition and all that good stuff. So guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay healthy. And guys, this is good. That's a piece of grape. This is good. So hey, go get you some. All right, go get you some. I recommend it.